Okay guys, here's a worm bin update. It's been about 3 weeks since I checked on this. I had been messing around here a little bit. Everything's looking great. I have an avocado that germinated in there. But I damn near lost probably 60% of my worms because I had them, when I first ordered them, I only got, I think, 200. And I kept their bin in the garage where it was way too hot. And unfortunately, that was a lesson learned because I lost some of these guys. So I took them inside the house, hope and prayed. I can tell there's probably about half of them still in here. There's probably 100 worms in here. You can't tell because they're deeper down in there, but I don't want to disturb them. I've already wreaked havoc on their habitat by digging around in here and looking to see what was going on. So the soil looks amazing. It's getting there. I had a little bit of moisture, of course, at the very bottom, but I mixed that up a little bit. I know you're not supposed to disturb these guys too much, but since I lost half of them, I just want to make sure that I got everything mixed up well in here and I have enough food for them. They look like they're doing just fine. They're growing. They're probably twice as big as they were when I got them shipped to me, and they are definitely active. So I'm good, I'm happy. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of, tiny bit of water to the top layer of this. And I'm also going to add, here's my paper shredder, my document shredder. I'm just gonna throw some of this in here. Just some fresh feeding. Put that at the top. And I'll just spritz that down a little bit. Just to add a little bit of food in there for them. And let me check something here. Coffee grinds. I thought maybe I had some eggshells for them, but this has been a minute since I have eating eggs, but I'll dump the coffee grinds in there. Use coffee grinds, and I'm gonna water this down just a tad bit and put them back inside the house. And I think I'm actually gonna order more because I don't want to wait for these guys to breed and multiply. I want to get my main team larger than it already is, and then whatever happens after that happens. It doesn't matter how fast they breed because I've got a good number of them. So good news, guys. Just want to do a quick update. Thanks for watching.